Set in the quiet landscape of Portugal's Douro Valley, the Douro Wood House is not a home that demands attention. It's one that quietly belongs. Surrounded by pine trees and rolling terrain, this 60-square-meter retreat feels less like something built and more like something discovered. It invites a slower way of living where architecture doesn't compete with nature, but gently steps back and lets it lead. From the very beginning, the design embraces a simple but powerful idea. How can a home exist without disrupting the land it sits on? Instead of reshaping the terrain, the house is lifted slightly above it, allowing water to flow naturally and wildlife to move freely underneath. This decision avoids heavy excavation and preserves the original landscape, creating a structure that touches the earth as lightly as possible. As you look closer, the roof becomes one of the most thoughtful elements of the design. Openings are carefully carved out to accommodate existing trees, rather than removing them. It's a subtle but meaningful gesture, one that transforms obstacles into defining features. On top of that, a green roof planted with native vegetation extends the landscape upward, improving insulation while supporting local biodiversity. What makes this home especially compelling is its use of wood, not just as a material, but as a philosophy. The entire structure is built from certified timber sourced from responsibly managed forests, reducing its carbon footprint while reinforcing a connection to the surrounding environment. The exterior cladding blends seamlessly with the tones of the pine forest, allowing the house to visually dissolve into its setting. For an American audience used to larger homes and expansive interiors, this project offers a different perspective. It challenges the idea that comfort comes from size, and instead suggests that connection to nature, to light, to stillness can define a home just as much as square footage. It's a reminder that thoughtful design often means doing less, but doing it better. Inside, the experience is shaped by restraint. With a compact footprint, every square foot is intentional. The modular layout allows the space to feel open and flexible, while still maintaining a sense of intimacy. This isn't a house filled with excess. It's a place where simplicity becomes a luxury and where the focus shifts from what you own to how you live. There's also a quiet sense of reversibility in the way this house is built. Because it avoids invasive construction methods, it could theoretically be removed with minimal trace. That idea alone reshapes how we think about permanence, not as something fixed, but as something that can adapt and respect its environment over time. In the end, Douro Wood House is less about architecture as an object and more about architecture as a relationship. It's a conversation between structure and landscape, between human presence and natural systems. And in that balance, it offers a powerful takeaway. Sometimes the most meaningful design is the one that knows when to step aside.